Hey guys, Portia here, and today I am checking out the Gochifix 15 by 15 auto heat press. Now, this one did just land on my desk for review. I did drop a link in the description for the machine itself as well as a discount, so check that out. Now, I will say first impressions are pretty solid, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I do have my notes here to help keep me on track. This is going to prevent me from rambling because sometimes that does happen, y'all. But the first thing I want to share with you all is that this machine is lightweight. So when I think of a heat press, I think of heavy, bulky, but as I pulled it out of the box and I placed it onto my work table, I realized that it was not that heavy and it wasn't difficult to maneuver. Now, I will say this is important because if you are working in, say, a tinier craft space or a craft room, you may actually need to move it at times to make space for other things. So putting it away or tucking it away isn't going to be difficult because it's not that bulky and it's not that heavy to move to another space. Now let's talk features, y'all. The platen itself is 15 by 15, and this is good for your hoodies, totes, t-shirts, pretty much your standard projects. This machine also has memory modes, which is really good. You can preset 4 different temperature settings in there. So let's just say one day you are doing sublimation, then from there you move on to HTV, and then maybe you even decide to do a DTF print. Being able to save in the different modes does save time because you're not fiddling around with changing the temperature from blank to blank. So I really do like that as an option. Another feature that I want to bring to your attention is its safety mode. So I'm not sure what to call it. It automatically shuts off after 15 minutes. So as crafters, as small business owners, sometimes we get busy multitasking and you may literally walk away from the press. You may have turned it on to heat it up and you end up doing something else and you forget about it. Well, this is good because it'll shut off. So it gives you that peace of mind that, oh my God, did I like the boiling water on the stove? That's not gonna happen, y'all. For my first press, I tried a 12 by 12 sublimatable hand towel. Now, because the platen is 15 by 15, this was gonna give me an opportunity to pretty much press the whole of the hand towel, which is what I wanted to do. I wanted to cover it all the way around. What I noticed is the colors came out, one, nice and vibrant. They transferred well to the blank, and the distribution of heat was even all throughout. So I just thought being able to lay that towel flat there and then press it would really show me, is the heat being distributed the right way? Is the pressure in all the right places? And I have to say the answer is yes. Overall, guys, the Gochifix is a good option if one, you are just starting out and you're like, hey, what should I get? This is a good machine that's not too big or not too small. Also, it's a good machine if you are thinking about upgrading and you don't really want to hassle with a big industrial press. I think it is good on safety. It's also good on heat distribution. It is easy to set up and it doesn't really take up a ton of space. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all my thoughts on the Gochifix 15 by 15 heat press. If you have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a like? But guys, as always, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.